gorgeous day and really busy, and there is loads to do. So I painted the door yesterday on Sunday. Well, give it its first coat. It needs another coat for definite. There's all this to do, so let's get into it. Everybody, it's the 31st of October 2023. It's Halloween, and the clock's gone back, so it'll be nice and dark when I finish work tonight, so I'll have to walk home with all the ghosts and ghouls that are walking around trick-or-treating. So my main priority this morning is we need to get the email sorted out so that that our monthly newsletter, which you can join, you can sign up for on our website www.cyclerecycleuk.com. So we need to sort that email out this morning, so that goes out this evening, and then busy day photographing bikes. We need to list a bike so people can see it, and I've got a couple of repairs in. So my plan for today is see how quickly I can get the email done, and then crack on with the ton of work that's in the workshop. Oh my god, so the email's done. It took 2 hours because there was 2 months worth of stuff to do, but it's done now, so now I can crack on and just get on with my day. So these have got to go, be photographed and put online. The bin's got to go out. We've finally got the heater on. It's lovely and warm in here. Oh, I can't tell you. And then we can concentrate on building this. And there's also one in there that needs repairing and one that needs dismantling. So let me tell you about this month's prize draw, which you can win. You can win. Let me find it. You can win this cycling computer worth £27, a silver bicycle service worth £50, and one of our 12-month membership cards, which gives you 10% off everything in the shop for 12 months. So that could be worth, you could buy bikes with it, you can get repairs done, you can buy accessories. There's 10% off everything. If you want one of those cards, we've got a few here. We've got a lot here actually. These are our membership cards, and this gives you 10% off everything in the shop. But you can win one of those. All you've got to do is go to our website and search for the contest page, which is under About Us, I think, and then you can win that awesome prize. It's free to enter, free prize draw. All you've got to do is share the competition on Facebook and follow us on Facebook, and you can win. So I'm going to get on and get these bikes photographed, and then I can concentrate on getting some work done. So I've photographed all the bikes, and I put one online, the Apollo Creed, which is a terrific bike, awesome for someone for Christmas. So I'm now going for lunch. While I do that, why don't you click the like and the subscribe button, and then you'll never miss out on a video. And I'll see you after I've had my lunch. I'm back from lunch, and we've had a couple of donations actually. So let's have a look. So we've got this Pro Bike Vintage, and behind it this Bradford mountain bike. They're probably need to be stripped down, I reckon, because they're probably not up to being used as bicycles. So I'm gonna focus this afternoon on building this bike that I'm now going to show you, which is this Shockwave XJ920. So that's my aim for today. Needs a bit of work, needs a bit of sorting out, but crack on with that. The heat is on, so we're going to be nice and warm, so let's get some work done. Shockwave XJ920, so it was in quite good condition to start with. So what I've done is I've replaced the brake cable because it was really stiff and dry. I've replaced a I can't think what these are called, but a spacer. Replaced a spacer on here so that the headset is now tight. Set the gears up, set the brakes up, checked everything for play, everything's good. Lubricated everything, and this just needs pressure washing and it'll be ready to go on sale. That's lovely, really good condition, someone will love that. So I've dismantled the bike and now I'm going to work on my bike to get it ready because I'm going to start doing some training. So just need to get this one sorted, but this one is my baby. Full Dura Race group set, including the brakes, seat post, look carbon forks. It's my baby and I am going to be just giving this one a quick service, ready for when I take it out for a bit. So that's pretty much all I've got time to do today, apart from get this shop tidied up and get ready for tomorrow's big stock take. So I'm going to say goodbye. Don't forget, like and subscribe so you can see our videos every day, and don't forget to check out www.cyclerecycleuk.com. You can see all our bikes for sale, all the services we do, read our blogs, watch our vlogs, book services, book repairs and everything else. So have a good evening, happy Halloween, hope you get all of the treats you wanted and none of the tricks, and we will see you tomorrow.